Don't be a butt.
Too late.
Let's go.
Y'all ready for horse racing quick? It's wet. Of course. Because it's a horse show. Oh, God. Alright, so today is the day. We got Pop over here blasting some stuff. What are you blasting, Pop? Ah, you're blasting a front piece. Awesome. That's the front piece of the frame, so after the body goes on, that actually slides up and through where you mount the bumper onto. We got the car all ready to go. I need to get underneath and finish where the trunk and stuff goes on the bottom side, but I'm waiting for a shirt so I don't get this one all dirty. So right now I'm working on the dashboard and getting it smoothed off so we can get a nice paint job on it and have a nice pretty shiny dash to put in here. In case you had any doubt to the quality of British materials, this is a factory dash. There's a huge dent right there. And that is where that attaches. So we have to try and fill that in, along with all these little pots and pits, and get this girl going. It's about to get real. My friends from Fire and Gasoline are on their way, and my friend Dave is on his way, and the body will be going on the frame today.
Well, if you can get the back,
I can get the back.
If
If you guys can do the front, Papa, make sure the pedal's clear, and then just beat the eyes. Let me know when you're ready.
Yep, whenever you're ready.
Oh,
Wasn't ready.
Tell me
you're ready.
We gotta go up a little bit. There you go.
On down.
We going down?
Going down. On down.
back here. There we go.
On channel 20.
On down. On down.
Back here. There we go.
Jump on that side over there and it's done.
Jump on this side, we're good. Up and up here. Table. First.
You gotta go up?
Nope.
No. Down. I could build motors all day long. I don't like the sand.
Yeah.
I hate
I don't like the sand, but
I mean, I'll lay a nice coat of paint.
used to
I
it.
just don't like
Yeah,
the
let's
sand.
be honest. Who likes to sand?
sanding sucks.
I painted many a car in my day.
Yeah.
Here. Do the brakes actually work?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's a good thing to know.
Oh yeah. That thing is ridiculous.
Is it how you flip up the arm?
No! You need to put dual wheels on that bitch.
That's the part of the fun of it, man. I don't know.
He's got.
Holy shit!
You want it?
Go for a bird! It's pretty ignorant.
Should I be scared? Oh God! My fat ass. Oh my God. Yes!
There's the other way.
This thing is ridiculous. Your turn.
Want to do a burnout? If you dip it going right, you drift straight.
Yeah.
If you dip it going left,
It just like,
it
I'm
doesn't
done.
go.
Oh my God, that is freaking hilarious.
You want to ride it anymore or you want to twist the tire? I'm good, man. I'm good.
Oh my God, that's
I'm
funny.
good. Where you want to do a burnout?
I don't know where we can do a burnout.
Cement pad? Thing freaking screams.
God! Bet you didn't expect that today.
No.
Yeah, we do burnouts on it until the tire goes.
When I got here, I was like, oh, that's
Solid
cute. And then I saw the
2-minute
videos, and then I realized she built this, and I kind of connected the dots. And I'm like, oh, fuck.
That is ridiculous.
It's not going to be a normal go-kart.
No.
I mean, for a go-kart, like, it does burnouts as good as I've seen cars do. Like,
Yeah.
It'll put the smoke out.
It drifts nice once you get the feel for it.
Once you figure out how to run it, my God, that's so much fun. This car is just, because anybody who's not on your Instagram hasn't seen this.
No. I try to stay undercover to some extent. Anyway.
2017, right?
16.
16.
16.
God, that's beautiful. I even like the wheels. I usually don't like aftermarket wheels.
Oh, little straw from my kids. That's how you know it's a dad car.
Oh, absolutely.
Pink straws.
God, that's beautiful.
Thank you.
Dave, I thank you again.
Yeah, anytime.
Don't get in that trouble.
Yeah, if you need any help on that body work or anything, let me know. I mean, it's not bad to just zip up, so. You
That's
need a
awesome.
hand, let me know.
Oh, did you grab your case of...
Oh, no, I
Paper?
didn't. No.
Don't get in no trouble.
And if you got real ambition,
You
it's
have
inside the door in
supplies
the
for
box,
your...
too.
Is it really?
Yeah, there's a little box in there with the tools.
You have supplies for your wheel polishing.
I appreciate that. Thank you.
Appreciate you, man.
All right, we'll see you.
Peace out.
I even got the little reflective on the wheels.
Yeah. People gotta see me coming.
Like a Hot Wheels tire. Quiet.
It ain't that quiet.
It was quiet. It's not near as bad as it was.
It's not Prius quiet.
Which way did I come from?
That way. Go that way, make a left. Go to TikTok, make a left.